All right, welcome back to Mohawk-Garage. Since you guys loved that last side-by-side comparison, side-by-side, I decided to give you a little comparison between the Talon, which you know and love from all these videos you've been watching, and the Pro R, which I'll probably never be able to afford, but it's awesome to look at, right? So, I got Nick here with me. We've already run down through the Talon. We've gone over and described the very frail, thin wall piping used for the control arms. The not much suspension travel here. Got the Fox suspension, but it still leaves a little bit to be desired. We got the thinnest roll cage on the market.
Yeah, plastic roof. One of 3 brands that still come with plastic roofs.
Is yours not plastic?
Mine's aluminum.
Is it stock?
Uh-huh.
We'll get back to that.
Anyway, keep going.
All right. So, got some new 32s put on. I got some ITP Coyotes that I left sitting out in my yard for way too long. So now they got flat spots on them, which is awesome for driving on the road. Rear suspension, multi-link. I've already bent one of these control arms, straightened it back out, and welded some angle iron to it, so now it's extra tough. What else do we got? What else do we need around here? We got suspension. We got a 1000cc non-turbo engine. Super reliable Honda stuff. All right, give me that camera. It's your turn. All right, now talk about your shit box over there.
Mine's a 24. It's not a new one. I wish it was the new one because it's got some better features. But no, it's fun. 225 horsepower from the factory.
How much suspension travel you got? You remember?
I think it's 28 or 29, something like that. So yeah, it's got the
Look how beefy those control arms look.
Yeah, it's this is all factory though.
Radius arms.
Yeah.
Just out of stock.
Yeah, everything's factory on this car. Besides,
look at the size of that long arm, that control arm, dude. That is massive.
Just imagine that thing's probably like 40 pounds, 50 pounds out of the car.
Yeah.
Yeah, this thing weighs 2,400 pounds wet.
That's as much as my Saturn.
Right? Your Saturn gets way better fuel economy too.
Oh, yeah. Talk about the engine. What kind of engine does this thing got?
It's got the same, it's got the Fury 2.0, the same one as the Slingshot, just made for off-road. So that's changed the oiling and all that.
Is that 1000cc?
No, it's 2000.
2000 cc's.
No turbo needed.
Oh, yeah?
It's got a cool little switch, but we'll get into that. Way bigger arms.
Yeah, look at those things.
I like these over Grant's car, but Grant's is also unique like this one.
Well, we'll get to that. We'll get to the other side-by-side comparisons here.
Right.
What size tires are you running?
35 KM3s. I do not regret them at all.
You like the BFGs, huh?
I didn't like the factory Maxxis Rampages.
Maxxis tires.
They kept throwing. Okay, so if these are the new Baja design mirrors. My Polaris factory ones were shattered completely due to those tires. Chupacabra. Well, Baja design.
Baja design lights.
Lights, my bad.
Does it have changeable lenses on them?
Changeable lenses, and they're RGB, so check it out, actually.
So wait.
I can change.
Oh, they're on too. Oh, they got the halo on now. Ooh, yeah. Fancy.
I can change those.
That's fancy. I see you see a booster seat.
Yeah. I got
that seems like a new addition.
Mm-hmm.
That's cool. What do you got on the inside of here?
Switch Pro 9100.
This is a stock dash here.
Ride command. Yep.
Ooh, fancy. A full color display. You don't get that with the Talon.
No,
you get an LCD display like this.
Yeah, you don't even get it with the X3, man.
Yeah. So has this thing got this has got a reverse camera and stuff too?
Yeah, it's got actually.
Does it work?
It's got, yeah, of course, everything on this car works. So I've got reverse and I've got ascend, my front camera.
Oh, you got a front camera too.
Yeah, I bumped it so it's a little sideways, but we all are, aren't we?
That's pretty cool.
Oh yeah, that's Got some pretty loud. I don't have a sub in here like the new one, but
You got this is a Switch Pro panel down here.
yeah, it's a Switch Pro, and
You got rugged radio.
yes, sir.
Man, look at all the room for switches on the dash of this thing.
I use this.
Yeah.
So I didn't have to have. All I have is this tune switch. So I have sport, rock, and race.
Ugh.
I always keep it in rock because I don't really have a heavy foot, but
What's race do?
it gives you 100% of the motor.
What
Just
are
like-
you riding on rock?
Rock is like, okay, so imagine you're going up a rock face like Moab, right?
Uh-huh.
You don't want to accidentally goose it, grip, and end up over. That's what the
Overpower,
rock
yeah.
mode is for. But if you're wanting to have a little bit of fun, you could put in sport mode. But if you're really getting serious, the Dynamix suspension is actually tuned in with that.
So this has got that. Is this that emergency button for when you?
Yeah, this is the oh shit or oops button.
Yeah.
Right here. Yeah, in case you're coming up to a rut and you're basically oops, hit it and you'll kind of float over it a little bit instead of your suspension clapping out.
It makes it full hard, right?
Full hard.
Full hard.
Full hard.
Say it again. Full hard.
Full hard.
We're gonna go hard.
No air dicking. No, but it's really cool.
You got one passenger you're already scared to death.
Yeah, you quick.
Was that what happened to Darren after that one jump at Sand Hollow?
That's been there since he got out of the car. What are you talking about? That's Darren. Yeah, so Switch Pros. Oh, dude.
How many miles you got on this thing?
9,000, bro. But
Are you over 9,000?
9,000. Hey, I'll tell you what,
What
bro.
the hell?
If your old lady is short, right, like 4'11" or shorter, these ABF. I waited 6 months for these because they were just coming out and they were worth every fucking penny. You know why?
Damn, those are stout.
Right? No, it's not that. You ever getting in a Jeep? You ever got in a Jeep and regretted it?
No, every time I get in a Jeep,
Okay,
I regret it.
4'11", you can't lift your leg this high.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, she can go right there. She
Yeah.
used to crawl on the tires. Yeah, I don't have anything aftermarket really besides all my lights.
All right, we're down here at the pumps now, getting some gas before we go hit the trails.
Yeah.
What's it cost to fill this thing up? How much does it hold? What kind of gas you got to have?
Oh, this one you got to do premium, no matter what, 91 octane or flat or more.
How many gallons does it hold?
Man, like 12?
12 freaking gallons? Holy crap.
But hey, man, she sucks it all. I only get like 100 miles, you know, and that's being nice.
2,000 cc's. That's not in sport mode, right? You got a sport mode in there?
Oh, yeah, of course.
Oh,
I got
yeah.
Sport and race, but the thing is the more you play, the more you pay.
Yeah.
So,
In case you're wondering, the old Talon takes good old 87 octane, the cheapest gas you need to buy. And it holds about 8 gallons. So, which also gets me about 100 miles range.
Then let's do this.
I just wanna get off road. I just wanna get back in the woods. I just wanna leave the world behind. Back in the place that makes me feel so good. I just wanna get off road. I just wanna get back in the woods. I just wanna leave the world behind. Back in the place that makes me feel so good.
Yo, it's your boy Drake. Got the love to do. Like what we call take a little fly to the backside. I'm living like different over people. Back in the sticks is where I get my fix. Yeah, working for a living instead of out busting licks. Yeah, life's much better now. Got a little cheddar now. Got a wife and kids. Yeah, I got my shit together now.
Sometimes shit still gets me down. Demons start coming.
All right, next step on this comparison, side by side, Talon versus Pro R, hill climb challenge. Nick doesn't know this yet.
we're going to do the hill climb.
get back in the woods. I just wanna leave the world behind, back in the place that makes me feel so good.
Take me to the woods, leave the world behind, cause I'ma feel a little better in the oaks and pines. Representing for the country, yeah, we hold it down. Lay back with that shine that we smoking high. Hey, I just wanna get lost in the woods, get away from the real life, live like we should, keep it real, all good, hold it down for the fam. Yeah, at the mud part, not giving a damn.
Yeah, I just wanna hit a back road. I just wanna have
I know somebody wants to know what it's like to drive it.
get off road. Get them woods and maybe lose my mind.
Getting loose, going down, that's how we roll. Red phone, popping car, really get it po. When the work week's over, hit it straight at the door. Got that ice chest full and we ready to go.
I just wanna get off road. I just wanna get back in the woods. I just wanna leave the world behind, back in the place that makes me feel so good. I just wanna get off road. I just wanna get back in the woods. I just wanna leave the world behind, back in the place that makes me feel so good. I just wanna get off road. I just wanna get back in the woods. I just wanna leave the world behind, back in the place that makes me feel so good.
Yeah, I just wanna leave the world behind. Drink a little booze, you clear my mind. And there ain't no telling what the fuck I'm gonna find. But it always seems to lead to a really good time. When I'm out on the trails, smoking on the kind, drinking cold beer and losing track of time. I could do it alone or I could do it with friends. But you can bet your sweet ass I'm gonna do it again. Cause I really quite like getting off road. Out in the back, trying to low. Yeah, out in the country, way out in the back. It ain't where I'm from, but it's where I'm at. Yeah, I grew up in the city, raw, rough and gritty. All the traffic and crime, it'll get you feeling shitty. City sucks, yeah, so like what you dirty town. Yeah, the country's where it's at, so help me sing this little ditty.
I just wanna get off road. I just wanna get back in the woods. I just wanna leave the world behind, back in the place that makes me feel so good. I just wanna get off road. I just wanna get back in the woods. I just wanna leave the world behind, back in the place that makes me feel so good. I just wanna get off road. I just wanna get back in the woods. I just wanna leave the world behind, back in the place that makes me feel so good. I just wanna get off road. I just wanna get back in the woods. I just wanna leave the world behind.
Tell me what
back
you
in the
got,
place
Nick.
that makes
What else
me
you got going
feel
on back
so
here in the
good.
back? We didn't get to talk about this. What's stuck on your
okay, so-
exhaust going here?
Oh, those are the muff pots actually. So we're cooking hot dogs right now. It's a little hotter. I'd show you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got dual muff pots, huh?
Yeah. We were talking about lights yesterday. I did a Baja design, and it's got the left and right turn signals. I have it set up to the switch pro
Yeah.
for the chase light, but I didn't like how you can't see it. Polaris. This was not a very good decision, but
You're saying
I was
having a
thinking-
chase light mounted on the bar back there with your
with
spare
your
tire.
spare tire, yeah.
You can't
It was
see.
okay, because they made it high enough to get to the Polaris box.
So what's in that? Is that a trunk in there? Is
Yeah.
that stock or is that something you added?
It's a Polaris box. Yeah, this thing's. I gotta grease that.
And then what's this? Is this this a Yeti or something?
It's an AO boat cooler.
Boat cooler.
Boat cooler, and it's not even tied down, bro.
It's just gravity.
It's just chilling in there.
Gravity match. But look how perfectly it fits in there.
Yeah, it holds ice for a couple of days. We just get a block, throw it in there, and then we could be out on the trail at the dunes for 2 days.
Really?
Yeah.
Where'd you get that thing at?
Amazon.
Amazon.
Yeah. So get the HD version. The HD version has, like, look at this edge. It's almost an inch thick. The regular one does not have it. This is a boat cooler, not a regular cooler.
But it's got areas where you can strap it down if you wanted to.
Yeah, fine. I mean, who wants to do that, man?
Gravity works.
Yeah, she's 4'11" and lucky to get it out as it is.
So you got the spare tire mount up here too.
Yeah, that's Polaris.
And then what's on top of there? That tool bag?
Oh, Savage UTV, man.
Savage.
Yeah.
Savage.
Yeah, it's a belt. My impact.
Oh yeah, all the tools
the
to change a
battery.
belt.
Yeah.
And I don't carry any tools to change belts on my rig.
Right.
Uh-oh. Did Scully lose his cap?
Oh, Scully lost his glasses and his cap.
Oh man.
All that little rough trails. Maybe it was the hill climb. Maybe you got scared.
Yeah. Oh, you got, at least you got the tether on it. Nice.
Yeah, let's keep this fuckery to a minimum. Let's see. There we go. Let's see.
All right, much better. Nothing like a nice eggnog shake from FD Candy right after a long ride. In case you didn't know it, they are open. They've been kind of keeping a little secret there because it can't handle all you candy crazy cretins here in Pahrump. So, go on by, say hi. And in July, we'll be having our group ride coming right out of here at FD Candy. We're going to try and fill this parking lot up. All the side-by-sides in Pahrump. Hit us up. Pay attention to the Nye County side-by-side page and to Mohawk-Garage on Facebook. And I'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching.